In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put pictures on Microsoft PowerPoint. Adding images is one of the fastest ways to make your slides more engaging and easier to understand, and the process is simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through choosing the right slide, inserting a picture from your computer or the web, and adjusting it so it looks just right. Start by opening PowerPoint and navigating to the slide where you want the picture to appear. It helps to decide whether the slide is meant for a full image background or just a supporting image next to text. Selecting the slide first ensures the picture lands exactly where you intend. Next, look to the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools for adding content. Choose Pictures. You'll see options for where to pull the image from. If your picture is saved on your computer, choose this device. This opens your file browser so you can navigate to the folder where your image lives. If you'd rather find something online, choose Online Pictures. This opens a search window where you can look for images on the web. When using online images, aim for royalty-free or Creative Commons content and double-check usage rights so your presentation stays compliant. Once you're in the correct location, browse to the picture you want, click it to select, and then click Insert. If you're adding more than one image, you can select multiple files at once before hitting Insert. PowerPoint will place the picture directly on your selected slide, usually centered, so you can immediately see how it fits with your content. Now fine-tune the size and position. Click the picture to activate the sizing handles around the edges. Drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the image's proportions intact. This prevents stretching or squashing. If you accidentally distort it, undo and try again from a corner. You can also rotate the image by using the rotation handle above it if you want a subtle angle. To move the picture, click and drag it to the exact spot you want. PowerPoint's smart guides often appear as faint lines, helping you align the image with other elements on the slide for a clean, professional look. That's all there is to it. Pick your slide, go to Insert, choose Pictures, select your source, insert the image, and adjust the size and placement. With these steps, you'll quickly transform plain slides into visuals that support your message and keep your audience engaged.